If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with both reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2017 Jeep Patriot High Altitude in bright white. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, bright side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 38,000 miles on the odometer, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, audio jack input for mobile devices, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6501B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.